Hello, good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the additional of the weekend edition. Yes, Saturday, Sunday, January the 20th and 21st, 2024. It's actually today, Sunday. And in this additional, I've already solved 2 puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. It's now time for the binary puzzle. Yeah, binary puzzle number. This will be number, I believe, number 7842. Let me mark this. 7842. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14. Not a lot. Not a lot. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So these 2 boxes should be a 1 then, alright. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then, yeah. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1's. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. And double O. Oh, 4 O's we have here in this column. So the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1's. And here we have 3 1's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row. In the last row, not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. And double O, here 1, there 1. Finish. 3 minutes. Alright. Solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle. In this additional, the 4 stars tectonic. This one has 10 printed digits. Should be a hard one. Yes. Alright. See you then. Bye bye for now.